Hello everybody, and in today's Hebrew lesson we're going to learn about the modal verb can or to be able to. יכול. So you have only 4 conjugations for the verb can, just like all Hebrew verbs in present tense. 1 for masculine singular, 1 for feminine singular, 1 for masculine plural, and 1 for feminine plural. The conjugation for masculine singular is אני יכול, אתה יכול, הוא יכול. For feminine singular is אני יכולה, את יכולה, היא יכולה. For masculine plural is אנחנו יכולים, אתם יכולים, הם יכולים. And for feminine plural is אנחנו יכולות, אתן יכולות, הן יכולות. I can, אני יכול. I can't, אני לא יכול. You can, את יכולה. You can't, את לא יכולה. You can, אתם יכולים. You can't, אתם לא יכולים. They can, הן יכולות. They can't, הן לא יכולות. Can I ask a question? אני יכול לשאול שאלה? So usually you would say, may I ask a question? But can I ask a question is the one that will be more respective to Hebrew. So we'll stick to can I ask a question. אני יכול לשאול שאלה? Can I ask you something? So it's more like, can I have a request from you? Can I ask you for something? אני יכולה לבקש ממך משהו? I can't do that. אני לא יכול לעשות את זה. Why can't you do that? למה אתה לא יכול לעשות את זה? Can you help me? אתם יכולים לעזור לי? How can we help you? איך אנחנו יכולים לעזור לך? Can they go talk to them? הן יכולות ללכת לדבר איתם? I think that they can do that. אני חושבת שהן יכולות לעשות את זה. So that's it. Thank you for your attention, guys, and I hope that you have found this video educating and you have learned a lot. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, smack that subscribe button, and don't forget also to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.